Hello, my friends. How are you? Good? Super. Fun 3. Today we have a very nice and easy activity to do, okay? Did you see the movie about the rainbow and the colors of the rainbows? Yes, we saw about rainbows many times before, right? Today you're gonna open your book and you have to color the rainbow. But we have to follow the colors. See? First line in red, second line in orange, and then on. Okay? You can check on your book because there you have a beautiful rainbow. Okay? I want to see it. Please send me a picture. Okay? Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.